Copy, opposite.
I don't know.
Who shot you?
I don't know who's on me.
Okay, sit down. Where'd they go?
They're running.
Westbound Lincoln. From Brokers, we're trying to catch
What kind of car did he get in? Did he leave?
I don't know. I don't know.
Can be northbound Monterey, Lincoln.
Please help. I need an ambulance now, bro.
What's that?
Please help me.
Did he leave? Is he still here?
No, he left.
Suspect's GOA, can I get fire to come to my location at the hotel?
Unity Air, eastbound Polk, northbound.
Exiting State College from the West 91.
Exiting State College from the 91.
He tried to spike him, but it didn't work, and now it's northbound State College from the freeway.
Northbound State College from the 91.
Southbound State College from Orangethorpe.
Southbound State College from Orangethorpe. 26-23 for Station 10, affirm. Unit still 91 at State College with strip.
I'm 23-10-4. Driving wrong way.
Wrong way.
State College from the 91 freeway.
Southbound State College from the 91.
313, we're now number 2.
26-313, number 2.
Back on the correct side of the road, southbound State College to Romeo, 35 miles per hour.
Right side of the road, southbound State College to Romeo.
Police car tried to pit, but that didn't work. Or southbound State College coming to La Palma.
Southbound State College approaching La Palma.
Southbound State College through La Palma, 35 miles per hour light traffic.
Southbound State College to La Palma, 35 miles an hour light traffic.
Southbound State College through Underhill, meeting a little bit of traffic stop at a red light at Lincoln.
Southbound State College approaching Lincoln.
26-371, can we call off me?
Someone requesting a unit to plug me.
26 but they tried to push him into the side of the street. That didn't work. We're southbound State College through Lincoln.
Continuing southbound State College to Lincoln.
Southbound through South Street.
Southbound State College to South.
Alright, this guy's like actively ramming people as he's trying to make his way through traffic.
Okay, pit him. Somebody get up there and pit him.
26-331, we copy. We're going to get it next opportunity.
Southbound through Vermont, those tires are coming apart.
Southbound State College to Vermont, tires coming apart.
Southbound State College through Mall Road, 30 miles per hour.
Alright, we're going for a pit.
Southbound State College to Bob, attempting pit.
Watch oncoming traffic.
Southbound through Winston.
Southbound State College to Winston.
Other tire just came off.
Tire just came off the vehicle.
Yeah, when he crashes and runs, don't chase him. The police dog is going to. We're southbound State College through Catella.
Southbound State College to Catella.
He keeps driving into us when we go for the pit.
Southbound through Orangewood.
Southbound State College to Orangewood.
5, he's trying to actively hit the units.
Suspect actively trying to hit their units.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive, 35 miles per hour light traffic.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive.
There's a pit on the Memory Drive over the riverbed. The car isn't quite immobilized yet.
Pit on the vehicle in the area of City Drive.
They have the back end of the pickup truck stopped, so they're 960 X-ray kind of, but the guy's on the gas trying to get away.
Attempting a 960X.
On a car to go to Memory and Bristol, east of here, and stop traffic there. This situation is still active. It looks like there's a shooting involved, so can you start the fire department?
10-4, we'll advise Station 31 and get medics.
Yeah, you can just have a fire department stage away. He's not in custody yet.
Affirm, we'll have him stage away.
There's a put on the Memory Drive over the riverbed. Oh, there's a quiet.
Pin it.